channel, and I'm doing something I haven't done in a while, probably in a year. Last spring I did a spring lookbook. But anyway, I asked you guys on Instagram if you wanted me to do a lookbook for my upcoming trip to South Africa, because I went shopping, I had some old clothes, and I'm just throwing my wardrobe together. So you guys said you wanted to see this, so here I am. Before we go any further, if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed. Also go ahead and hit that bell somewhere that I still haven't figured out where it is, but hit that bell so that you are notified anytime I post a video. Let's get right into it. I'm gonna try on as much as I can. I'm also gonna throw in some Under Armour stuff because the main purpose of the trip actually is to take track girls and tea time over there. So we have a couple of camps going on while we're in town. We're also partnering with some people over there, so it's gonna be kind of fun. So it's a leisure trip slash more work than leisure, but you know, I gotta throw my fashion in there. Anyway, here we go. I'm gonna just give you guys some tips on what I do. First of all, this clothing rack. You've kind of seen my closet before. It's jam-packed in there. It's a mess. I probably got this for like $20, $25 at Target. Not very sturdy. It's not your best garment rack, but it's good to take out your things to sort of do what I'm doing here. Get an eye for what it is that you're trying to pack, what look you're going for. Maybe you're preparing for an event or something. It's good to be able to see all of your items together. Off the top, I know that I'm going for vibrant colors and prints. Going to Africa. I know South Africa is probably the most Western country in Africa, but it's still the motherland. I'm channeling those vibes. So going for prints, hence this dress that I have on that obviously you will see. But I'm also going for a lot of like monochromatic. My mom actually got this for me for Christmas. This is from the Tracee Ellis Ross line. This from Zara. Yeah, this wardrobe is gonna be heavy Zara. I live in Zara. Multicolored print, kind of giving you the African vibe. That's kind of the mood that I'm going for when I'm putting my looks together for this trip. Also, pieces that I can wear my shoes like multiple times with for packing purposes. I don't want to be carrying 15 pairs of shoes, although I would love to. It's just not practical. So that's another thing that I'm going to be playing with to see like what shoes go with what shoes can I stretch to go with 2 or 3 outfits, that sort of thing. And then of course planning the events that we have, you know, dinner, camp, we have some meetings, we have a press breakfast. So my wardrobe is sort of planned around that. And so again, you know, what's more practical? Comfortable shoes, heels, etc., etc. But I'm definitely not going to try on because I don't know what I'm doing. So this is a headpiece that I got. Yeah, I've been trying to tie it on and it's just not working. So I'm hoping one of the girls that's on the trip can help me out. I believe these are called Ankara. I guess while I was taking that little break, I could have looked that up, right? But I'm hoping to use these to tie on my hair. I should also mention that I will not be wearing Carrie Bradshaw to Africa. I will be changing my hair before I leave. And then I have a couple of, these are more pricey scarves. These are Louis Vuitton scarves that I probably will find a way to make into the wardrobe as well. And then I got this little scarf that I thought was cute from Zara. The wardrobe is Zara heavy, so I'll probably wear this with one of those monochromatic looks over there. Let's get into trying these outfits on. Welcome to my South Africa lookbook. This black two-piece from Zara I did wear. It's kind of a ribbed material with some inside-out stitching. Really cute, wide legs, sort of bell bottom, bell sleeve. Super cute. I wore it with a flat, not the shoes pictured here. Did not pack those with me because I didn't feel like it went with enough of the wardrobe. Keeping in tune with the monochromatic look, I wore this outfit exactly as shown here with the shoes, minus the purse. Definitely another way to mix match your monochromatic look. And I actually did wear it with those sandals. I packed this option for dinner. Tracee Ellis Ross. Did not wear this, unfortunately. Ran out of nights to wear it. I thought this would be a cute dinner outfit. Tracee Ellis Ross, that bustier is from Victoria's Secret. I most certainly wore this outfit. This outfit is from Chen Burkett NY, and the top is actually Sonji Williams. So I actually mix matched some designers here, but I was going for the African print here and the solid top. So these pants are Sonji Williams. Sonji actually gifted me that top that I wore with that skirt, but I was planning on wearing it with these pants when I ordered the Chen Burkett skirt. Didn't wear these shoes. It's also a great option to go with this outfit. Was trying out this jacket, didn't work. I killed that headpiece, especially when I actually did wear Carrie Bradshaw, and she had to come off at one point, and it was just too hot. I took the wig off and rocked that headpiece, which is also from Sonji. This dress from Tracy Ellis Ross as well. My mom also got me this for Christmas. Didn't wear it. I did pack it with me, and I was hoping to wear it. I'm definitely wearing her in the near future. Paired it with these Zara shoes. Those are also the shoes that you saw me wearing with that green monochromatic look earlier. Super clutch. Obviously can go with a few options here. So for my athleisure wear, oh yeah, as you can tell, I was jamming out while I was trying on these clothes. Crop top sports bra with some long tights. Those are the new Hover Sonics that I'm loving, so I paired that together. This outfit I actually wore to the Under Armour activation that I did in South Africa. It is a gold tracksuit with the white stripe down the side, and yeah, at this point I was feeling myself. And I paired it with a bodysuit. Obsessed with this bodysuit. Another UA outfit, nothing too special, just some leggings, sweatshirt as usual, crop top sports bra to match that lining. Oh yeah, I'm still on my gallon a day challenge, so I had to take a little water break. Also paired that with my hovers, but I actually ended up bringing my Phantoms with me instead of my Sonics. That's just a sneak peek into what I actually packed for my trip. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this. As usual, give me some thumbs up, subscribe, let me know what you thought about this. Stay on the lookout for my vlogs of my experiences in South Africa. Had an incredible time. Can't wait to share what a memorable experience it was. I'll check you guys next time.